Hi guys, so we just bought from Ikea Kallax. So it's actually a shelving thingy. So we got two of them. So let's do an unboxing and try to install it. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today this video will be about an unboxing as well as installation. So over the weekends, my wife and I, we went to Ikea. So we bought they call this the Kallax cube shelf. So it'll be a surprise on what we're gonna use it for, but we actually bought two. So let's do an unboxing. Alright, we got the handy dandy knife there. Let's unbox it. It's about 16 kilos. So if you notice that I'm actually struggling a little bit. So open it up. Yep, it's white. The instruction is here. Let's see. What's this? Alright, so we have some stuff, dowels, and I think this for securing. I think this for securing to the wall. This should be for the base. Let's see, so we got it in white because we want to add more colors to the house, make it a little brighter. Okay, let's look at the instruction. Let's see. So they do provide the Allen key. Yes, no, yes they do. Hammer, no. Screwdriver, no. Okay, so we have a base here. So this is supposed to be the base, so that's the side. This is the base. Use the tool. Okay, so the tools, there's the giant screw, Allen key, and then to use it as a fulcrum. So I'll have to pop this in. Yep, just like that. Okay, so I think, yep, pop in like that so that it's easier to work on it. So I'm supposed to screw the sides. Yep, just make sure it's flush there. Do the same for the other side. Now we need to get the other side. So let's make sure we get the right side. There you go. So now we just have to screw these two ends. And then the screws are huge. So so I'm sure it's able to hold well. Just put protectors at the base. Okay, let's do the last part. Right, 4 more screws to go. Ta-da! Wow! So, there's actually other pieces. However, I won't be putting it on because we're using this whole spot to store something. So the final touch would be, let's just put the base so that it doesn't stretch the floor. Flip it, and we are done. But this would fit at the corner over here. Ooh. What a coincidence! We did not do any measurements, but somehow it's exact. So just nice. So we'll build another one and stack it up. Both of them are complete. We bought 2 mats, so both of them are also from Ikea. It's gonna work as a protective mat for the item that we're gonna use to display. So this is how it looks, and possibly we'll drill a bracket here for the Dyson actually, then we can use the plug here. Drum roll, time for the reveal. For my Bromptons, so if you notice down here, this is actually part of it, whereby originally it's supposed to be a square box, so there will be 4 squares, but instead I use one of the base to elevate it slightly a bit so that the gap is smaller here and it looks more balanced. Same goes for below, and then the mat, add a bit of color, give you that Andy Warhol kind of feel. So yeah, that's the purpose of the cubes. Alright, hope you like this content. If you like, please like and subscribe and share. Take care, bye bye.